Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And another nice day here, so we want to get some updates and such made. First, I'm going to do a little house cleaning and just get rid of that line right there. Sure, it still pertains, it's just not really relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, I talked about right here around 565 as resistance, but now that the price is up above there, that would be one of the newest areas of support. Now, taking a step back, in the event the 565 mark does not hold, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because from the big picture point of view, it's all about that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simple but highly effective way of how do you judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Any way you can visualize that, that's what's being represented. Once more, sure, staying above 565 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, this level up here at 585, unfortunately, is back to being a level of resistance because the price managed to close down below it. So you got to keep that a level of resistance. I would certainly agree it was weakened up on the day. But again, because we care about where the price actually closed, that's still got to be considered a level of resistance. But also in the event the price can push back up above there, that next key overall area is going to be right up around 610 as far as resistance level. So 585 near-term resistance, and then up there at 610. Big picture, though, as long as the price keeps on building those higher lows like it's been doing and stays above that purple line, the bulls remain in full control of the chart. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.